If you're like me, then you probably have some sort of junk drawer with like a bunch of pens, maybe a random tool here or there. And when you have a one-off project that you just need to do something real quick, you always look in that drawer to see if there's a tool to help you get something done, and there never is. So then you have to go to your toolbox and get out a bunch of tools just to do that one really quick thing. What I like about this multi-tool is I can have this in the junk drawer, and this actually does quite a bit. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let's have a bit of a closer look. 23 in 1. I won't go over every function, but I'll kind of give you a closer look at the tool so you can get an idea of everything this does. You could use this as a keychain with this ring. This obviously though is fairly heavy. It's solid metal. Some of the main things are you've got your Phillips and flathead screwdriver tips. You've also got a few sizes for Allen, and if you needed to do bolts, you have sizes for those as well. And a nice thing about this is that it is easy to twist on any head. Again, this is just one of those nice things to have when you need to do some random thing. If you need to open a bottle, or if there's something that you just need to tighten real quick. My boys have a bunk bed and it has Allen screws that always get loose, and I never remembered to get the tool to fix it. But with this, I can just grab this really quick and make the adjustment and tighten that. So this is really nice to have. I use it a lot more than I thought I probably would. Might not hurt to get 2 or 3 of these. Also makes a really nice gift.